Hello everyone. So in this particular course, you will learn how can you create deepfake AI video like this. Also you will learn how can you clone yourself, and also you can clone your own voice. How can you clone yourself? How can you create amazing AI videos using your own character? Tired of feeling stretched thin? Learn to clone yourself digitally in this game-changing course. Double your productivity, crush your goals, and unlock endless possibilities. And you can convert it to the any language which actually you don't know. After completing this course, you can easily create amazing AI videos which will help you to grow your social media account or your business. Deepfake AI is a latest technology that you should not miss. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now. Hello everyone, so welcome to all of you in my full master course on deepfake AI. So in this particular video, we will replace our face in any movie clip. So I have downloaded one YouTube video from the South Indian movie Master. Now with the help of AI tool, I will replace villain character in Master movie. So let's start our video. But first of all, let's watch this video. Now watch this video. And this course is only for educational purpose, so don't misuse it. If you don't want to get into trouble, then avoid invalid activity. So now let's start our video. First of all, you have to go on Google and type a cool. Okay, so just go on Google and type a cool. Hit the enter button, and after that you will get this website. Just go on it. Now from here you have to log in first. Okay, so just click on login, sign in with your Google account. So just you have to sign in with your Google account. Okay, and after that here you will see you have 100 credit. Okay, so here you will see cost 4 credit each time. This is for image, and for video 10 credit, 10-second video cost at least 10 credit each time. Okay, now to use deepfake AI technology, you have to scroll down and you will see face swap option. Okay, so just click on try for free, and from here you can create awesome output videos. Okay, so you have to skip all the steps, and from here you have to choose your video file, okay, in which you want to add your character. So just click on choose file. And from here you can select any file. So this is my test folder, and this is my input video. Now it will take some time, and it will detect all the faces in your video. Okay, so it will detect all the faces, and after that you have to replace with any image. You can skip these steps, and this is the basic interface of a cool. Okay, So at the left section you will see preview of your video. This is your input video and this is your pricing option. And if you will see right side, here we have a detected face option. So we have a 4 image of detected face. So basically we have to replace with our image. So just upload any image. You can upload your own image also. And now I will add my image to detected face. Just you have to follow same steps. Now just click on high quality face swap. So here you are in queue. It will create some time to generate your video and you have to check your email from Acool. And this is our download link, so we can just click on download button. Let's save and open our video file. So thank you for watching this video. Okay, and if you like this lecture, then don't forget to give me good positive rating and comment also. Okay, so you will get many videos in future too. Okay, so don't forget to give me good positive rating and comment also. Okay, bye bye.